Hi, my name is Riyad Joucka. I'm architect and founder of MEAN, Middle East Architecture Network, assistant professor and research fellow in practice at Zayed University. I'm excited to introduce you to Additive Dialogues, a series where we explore the future of 3D printing through conversations with some of the most innovative minds in the industry and academia from around the world. In this series, we delve into the latest advancements in additive manufacturing, examining how these technologies are transforming industries and pushing the boundaries of what's possible. As part of my fellowship at Zayed University, we're not just exploring technology, we're also looking at how it can intersect with tradition and be used to further cultural development. The fellowship, titled the Additive Majlis, explores a central element of Arabian culture using cutting-edge building techniques. This initiative reimagines the traditional majlis, a typology unique to the region in a contemporary context. By integrating avant-garde technologies like additive manufacturing and modular construction, we're transforming this distinctive space into something truly exceptional. The Additive Majlis project addresses the rich cultural context of the Majlis as a unique spatial typology from the Arabian Peninsula while embracing modern technology and design. Through Additive Dialogues, we aim to spark new ideas and inspire fresh perspectives on how can we use these technologies to create meaningful change and explore what are the current leading developments in this diverse industry. This series is just the beginning of an exciting journey into the world of additive manufacturing and its potential to reshape our future. I invite you to join us to explore these groundbreaking ideas. Follow us for more updates as we share this knowledge. I hope it will be engaging and educational. Thanks for watching.